Hey y'all, it's SharonB, Life by SharonB, and before we jump into today's video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell, so you never miss a drop on side hustles, gig work, and real ways to get paid in 2025. Let's get into it. Today I'm giving you 9 jobs that pay same day in 2025, and we are not talking about Uber, DoorDash, or Shipt. These are real, lesser-known apps that actually put money in your account within hours. Grab your pen and notebook, this is going to be valuable. On Delivered, that catering delivery only, none of that fast food drama. You pick up large orders and drop them off to events or corporate offices. You get paid around $25 to $45 per drop, and they use Payable app to send out your money the very next day. This is one of the easiest ways to make quick cash if you already have a car and a little hustle in you. First, RedCap medical transport without needing an EMT license. You help patients get to appointments. Some areas offer same-day or next-day pay, especially if you're reliable and professional. RedCap is clutch for folks who want consistent routes with solid payouts. Number 3, Quick with a Q. This is gold for anyone who's worked in food service or events. You sign up for shifts like bartending, food running, or even dishwashing, and they pay you within 30 minutes after your shift. No waiting for Friday, no begging clients. It's fast, easy, and you're always in control. Snap Nurse. If you're a licensed CNA, LPN, or RN, Snap Nurse will change your life. You get to choose shifts, work where and when you want, and get paid fast, sometimes within 24 hours. Nurses are earning $300 to $600 per shift in some cities. Number 5, GigSmart. Think of this as a gig buffet. It's all kinds of short-term jobs, moving help, event setup, catering, you name it. You get paid instantly using the Rapid Pay card, and some gigs post that they pay same day right in the listing. You can filter jobs to fit your schedule, skills, and income goals. For Understeady app. Not a job, but a powerful app that finds local and remote gigs that offer daily or instant pay. You can sort by pay type, hours, and even track your income inside the app. I recommend this as your gig work search engine. Plus, they run cash giveaways and partner with brands for side income. 7, CaterCow. CaterCow is low-key but profitable. You deliver catering orders for offices or events. The pay ranges from $30 to $75 per delivery, and you're in and out in minutes. This is perfect if you want mornings free and cash by lunchtime. 8, Rover. For my pet lovers, Rover pays you for dog walking, drop-in visits, and overnight stays. You get paid 2 days after service ends, and most clients tip directly through the app. This one's peaceful and low stress. Plus, pets don't talk back. Number 9, Quick Hire. This app focuses on entry-level jobs in warehouses, hotels, and service work. Some employers offer instant interviews and quick start shifts, and you can get paid after just one shift in some cases. Quick Hire is growing fast, especially in the Midwest and southern states. Wrap up. So that's 9 same-day pay jobs in 2025 that don't require fancy degrees or massive experience, and they're not oversaturated. Now I'm building a whole series of videos like this, and I'll be shouting out other creators with real app reviews, income breakdowns, and smart money tips. So make sure you stay tuned and support each other in the comments. And don't forget, my full same-day pay toolkit with all app links, guides, and bonus resources is down in the description. Also, I just launched my official merch shop with Spreadshop. We've got tees that say "Protect Your Peace" and other motivational designs to match your hustle. You can check it out at Life by SharonB on Spreadshirt, or hit the link in the description to shop now and support the channel. Every purchase helps me keep making these videos for y'all. I appreciate the love. This is SharonB, Life by SharonB, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay paid. Let's get it.
I just got back from the gym, but a deal's a deal. This is part 2 of Watch Me Try These Side Hustles so you don't have to. Today, we are going to be testing out the survey app named Eureka. So let's see how much money we can make in an hour. Start time is 9:27, so let's get into it. A little over, but 10:31. The real question, how much money did I make? I made a grand total of $4.94. This is actually really good. The payout limit that you have to hit on Eureka is $5 instead of $2.50 with Adapole. So realistically, if I just do one more survey, then I will be able to pay out as well. But I would rank Eureka as a win. The referral link is linked in my bio. If you want to download it, we'll each get $1, so it helps both of us. But if you do try it out, leave what you made in the comments, because I'd love to see if you can make more than me in an hour. And if this video was helpful to you, please like and follow, because I post videos like this every day. Don't get scammed by survey apps that don't work. This is day 3 of watch me test these side hustles so you don't have to. I'm going to be testing out the app called Prime Opinion today. Don't think it has anything to do with Amazon Prime, but let's see how much money I can make in an hour anyway. Starting time is 3:40, so let's get into it. End time 4:38. So how much did I make? I made $5.13. I'm really happy with that. One cool thing about this survey app is they have ratings at the bottom of each of the surveys. So I was able to see if one had 2 out of 5 stars or 4 out of 5 stars. And that really helped me decide which survey I wanted to take based on other people's opinion. And on this app, I actually branched out a little bit and decided to try one of the games that they promote. I downloaded a Domino's game app. And if you got to level 3, you got to pay out. Level 5, level 7, you got to pay out. So I just ended up getting to level 7 and got an extra $1 or so from that. And it didn't take very long at all. And it didn't cost me any money, which was important to me. So I ranked this one as an absolute win. I would actually continue using this app. This one and Eureka are probably my favorites so far. I haven't really found any other ones that I would recommend. This is the official end of survey week. Next week, I'm actually going to start with print on demand to see exactly the steps I need to take to try and make that work. If you were thinking about trying print on demand, then this is a great time for you to see this video. So follow along as I try and figure out print on demand this week.
I almost guarantee that you haven't heard of any of these 5 completely free apps that will literally pay you to do the simplest tasks. And yes, they're completely legit. Pretty much anyone can use them, and I'm about to show you exactly what they are. But before we get into it, if you find this video helpful, I post more wealth-related tips and hacks and different side hustles just like this every single day on this account. So if you'd like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that follow button. Let's go. Up first is Mist Play, which will pay you to play mobile games. Up next is QMe, which will pay you to take surveys and complete other simple tasks. Up next is Feature Points, which will pay you to play games, take surveys, and more. Up next is YSense, which will pay you to take surveys and complete other tasks. And last but not least is App Karma, which will pay you to play games, watch videos, and more. Now, I believe this is already part 4 of this video, so if you're interested in learning about other free apps that will pay you to complete simple tasks, make sure to scroll down on my page a little ways for those. And while obviously I can't continue on this series forever because there are only so many apps that will pay you to complete simple tasks, please feel free to let me know if you'd like me to make a part 5 of this. But in the meantime, if you found this video helpful, I post more wealth-related tips and hacks and different side hustles just like these every single day on this account, so if you'd like to see more content like this, please feel free to like and follow and engage and all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Gig work apps that are actually helping me make money right now and how much I've made with them. It's been a little over a month now since I've been doing gig work to make extra money as I am in my transition period. So I figured why not share some of the apps that I feel like have been working for me and the ones that maybe not so much. I'm going to go from least to highest and just share my thoughts. Number 3 is DoorDash. So with DoorDash, I have made $264.81. Now, when it comes to DoorDash, DoorDash is DoorDash. The reason why it's number 3 is only because the tips, the tips just really aren't that great. So, it is what it is. But when it comes to DoorDash, I think it's great for immediate cash. Like if you need money for gas that day, if you need just extra money that day, it's a really great app as you can just get paid out the same day. So I think DoorDash is really great for that. If you just need immediate cash, if you need money real quick for something and you just need to get paid out the same day or the next day, DoorDash is a really great option for that. At number 2 and number 1 were really, really close, but in number 1, I'll share why I have that one as number 1. Number 2 is the Reflex app. So with the Reflex app, I have made $341.01. It's about to be a little over $400 because I'm about to do a shift today, right after this. So I've done 3 shifts with Reflex. So basically Reflex is a app where you can pick up retail shifts. So it's really, really great. I love Reflex. I talk about it a lot on my page. You can check out some of the reviews that I've had about the Reflex app. Reflex app is an amazing app if you are good with doing retail. So you're basically just going to the store, helping out customers. It's really, really simple work. And what's really great about Reflex is you get paid the next business day and they take out taxes. So you don't have to worry about taxes, which I think is amazing because most gig work, it's not that way. The only thing about Reflex is you have to be able to pick up shifts. The shifts do go fast, so you just have to be on it when it comes to shifts. I think it's kind of similar to Amazon Flex where the shifts can go fast. It's basically the same with Reflex, and depending on your area will determine how busy or how much work there is available. The number one app that I have been utilizing has been Spark. With Spark, I've made $1,946.61. For those who don't know what Spark is an app where you are doing grocery deliveries. Basically, you're picking up groceries from either Walmart or like Sam's Club. What's great about it is for the most part, you don't have to get out of your car. They're just loading up your car with the groceries and you're dropping them off. And for the most part, the deliveries are pretty close. So that's why I love the Spark app. Now, the number one reason why I love Spark is their incentive program. They have various incentives that they do throughout the week, throughout the month, and that has really helped me make a lot of money. For instance, when I first started, they have a $500 incentive if you do a certain amount of orders. So I did those, and then they have little small incentives, an extra $5, an extra $7 if per order, just so many different things. So I love the Spark app for that. They just have a really, really great incentives program, and you can pick up shifts pretty much whenever, as long as it's busy, which, you know, it's a Walmart, so it's usually going to be busy. So it's really flexible. It's great. The only thing is it takes a week to get paid. So that's the only downside about that one. At the end of the day, you can make any of these work. It really just comes down to having a hustle mindset, knowing how much you want to make for the week, for the month, and just going off of that and utilizing the app that you want to go with. I definitely recommend having multiple apps if you can. When it comes to things like Instacart, I've tried that in the past, but for some reason I have to rejoin, and you know, they have a long wait list. So I haven't been utilizing that one, or there's another grocery one that you can utilize, but I don't usually do those. I'm not really a grocery shopper type person, but I don't mind having it just like as a backup. But if you know of any other gig apps, feel free to let me know down in the comments.
This new app that came out made me over $400 in one day. This guy named Alex Selag has made an app that's completely free on the App Store that pays you per 1,000 views by just posting on TikTok. You're scrolling, seeing this video regardless. Why not just post TikToks and make money? There's different campaigns that pay you out per certain views. Some of them are like $4 per 1,000. Some of them are $2. All the campaigns are different. Ones are like with brands. You talk about TikTok shop products and stuff like that. I highly recommend this app. Check it out.